Members of the International Scientific Committee have met here in Barcelona during the last 2 days to discuss how the program is evolving, and we have made some agreements. For example, we decided to have 6 TV corners. 4 of them will be technical TV corners, for example, on ocean acidification, which is a really hot topic. This is something related with climate change. It's the other effect of the climate change. The second one will be biodiversity. Biodiversity, again, is something that we have to look very closely, because the loss of biodiversity is really important for the resilience of the ecosystems. The third one will be on plastics. Plastics, again, is a very hot issue, something that we have to look very closely, because the plastics are fragmented in the ocean, and we still don't know how to count, how to measure, how to quantify, and the effects of plastics in the ocean. We will have one TV corner on the polar seas. Polar seas, again, they are the refrigerator of the planet, and the way that the currents circulate in the different oceans is determined by the interchange of water from the polar seas and the other parts of the ocean. So both polar areas are really, really important in the ocean. So those 4 will be the technical TV corners, and then we will have another one that will be more related with equipment, that will be the research vessels, and showing the facility that the different research vessels in Europe and other parts of the world they have. So the idea is to have around 20 or 25 examples of different research vessels from different countries, and the kind of work that they are able to do, the seas where they are doing the research, and so on. And finally, we are going to have one TV corner on something that is really important, that is the ocean literacy, is to educate the people on the importance of the ocean. But when we are talking about ocean literacy, we are referring to even for the very young people, just to try to introduce the ocean in the curricula of the people. When they are studying natural science in the school, at least 4 or 5 lessons has to be related with the ocean, because ocean is really a key part of the planet. We also make another agreement that we are going to have 7 workshops that are already in the program, but we decided to organize 1 more workshop, and this will be targeting to early career scientists, people that is younger than 38 years old, that they have 1 degree and that they are doing the new science, and they have to have one fora to discuss their own worries, their own research, and to communicate the research following more dynamic tools. So the idea is to have 1 full day workshop oriented to the young people, and they will have the opportunity to present the results of their research, the things that they are doing, in the format, this new idea from Australia, that is 3 minutes thesis. They will have 3 minutes and 5 slides or so, and they have to communicate the things that they are doing very, very fast. So in that way, I think that we will have room to make 50 or 60 presentations during the workshop, and this will encourage the young people to come to Barcelona for this conference.